Nikki's bright idea to hand over sand over the fence. It's like, I wish I could back up to the fence. She's like, just hand the bags over the fence. So, take one. Over the fence.
Ready? Oh, you're leaking. Ready? You're leaking. Ready? No, you're leaking. Ready? No. Catch it. What the hell happened?
I'm stepping in dog
What the hell? Another one? Pick it up.
Pick it up. You said hand it over the fence. You just dropped it. What the hell? Move it all the way to the back. What are you doing? Make it snappy. You're too slow. You only got 20 more to go.
Okay, bad idea.
One more time?
No.
One more time? Just say it one more time.
One more time?
No. Whose idea was that?
Fine.
Retarded.